What up, everyone? Long time no see. Sorry, it's been a little while. I had to go get some stuff taken care of, and I was on a recovery time. But now I'm back, and I've got some changes to show you. Some quite big changes, I think, since the last video. So let's go ahead and just jump into the game and let's play it through. So as we can see, this first room is just the starting room. It has nothing in there, maybe just that little crystal. um, he still works the same. He goes and opens the door. Now we moved around the skeletons and everything. Yeah, ignore those other rats at the moment. You'll see what those are all about. But now our battles still work, as you can see. Um, Another really big thing I wanted to show off in the battle was Josh now has a magic spell. It's called Slice. And when you slice, he throws that and then it hits that rat. And then the other big thing I wanted to show off is um, my item menu in the battle is now usable. I can now use my items in battle on who I want instead of just whose turn it is. So if it's Jesse's turn, I want to use a mana potion on Josh. So there we go. It still doesn't change the turnover, but it's much closer than it was. So now it tells you what the last attack was down here in the bottom. When it's not our turn, it takes away the options. We got the level screen working a little bit better. Uh, and another big change that I made was now when you collect the chests, it tells you what you got out of the chest. Like that one, I got 50 bits. We're going to go ahead and continue to kill these skeletons really fast. I did end up putting that troll in, and as you can see, the skeleton now has magic and can recover, has more options to use than just attacking. Um, Makes the battles a little bit more interesting. See, now he used recover because he knew he was almost dead. Um, so we should be level 2 now. Our rats will respawn, so we can level up. Oh, nope. I'm gonna have to. We'll have to work on that because of the changes. So, but for right now, um, everything is working. Everything is, playable. We kind of got our first objective. We got to come in here and we got to kill our all of these skeletons in all of our rooms. Uh, how much? I am not really sure on why we have so much money. Why do I have 32,000 gold? I have no idea, but we're just going to stock up on our healing potions and all of our potions. So we'll go ahead and buy these because I need to heal. I'm almost dead. We can buy a few revive potions. Wonder if that was from the chest. I really wonder. So now he says, if you found it, I really bet that all that money came from the chest for some reason. Like my collision is off again. I did not notice that. I want to go back over and check something after this battle. We totally forgot to heal, so hopefully he doesn't finish us off. And if he does, I guess I can show off my revive potion. So there we go. As you can see, I mean, this is the door now. We cannot get through. It says I need a key when we click on the door. So let's go ahead and use. Oops, I don't want. Oh no. Back. Let's go ahead and use our healing potions on Josh and Jesse. There we go. That's a little bit better. So now we can collect our key, which is still working good. I want to go back where that chest was. I really wonder if that was what's happening. Yeah, interesting. Oh, wow. Look at it go. Is it just when I'm in the room? Interesting. I'm gonna have to look into that. That is a little bug that I just saw, but like infinite money glitch. Everybody loves an infinite money glitch. And then so it tells you when you're fully healed and everything. I don't want to save because, but not. I guess we have to show off our troll. He's level 10. I don't really want to try to fight him at the moment, but so now he's blocking the way and everything like that. So there we go. So let's jump into the code uh, and just show you some of the new things that I put in. So first off, I put battle rats. Let's start from the beginning, I guess. So I've started to notice my classes and everything starting to have a lot of instances, and every time I want to make a new monster, I need a new instance, which is in turn making it really long to scroll through. So what I'm trying to go for is I want to switch everything over to uh, the dictionary that I have made here, so I can A, collapse it, and B, we can add it a little bit more easy. And I don't really know if it's any easier to call. It's about the same. I personally feel maybe a little bit more typing, but in general, maybe a little bit better. So when we have like lots of rats or lots of more than one fly or mimics or whatever, as I put in more levels, more rooms, possibly, we don't have to worry about 1,000 lines of just instances of monsters. I started off on the rats because they didn't have very much. I only had the two of them. So that is what I did there. What was some of the other changes? Oh yeah, under my battle, my menu screens, I made I kind of evened it out. Where was it? So yeah, on my item menu battle and then item, it's pretty much the same as my battle. Like it's just up here when it gets to this, and then it goes into everything else, but pretty much the space bar instead of the enter because they was running into problems, and then my enter non-battle is pretty much the same. So I was able to implement that into our battles. We can save. We have magic. Our enemies have magic, and everything like that. So moving forward, tomorrow's video or whichever video I can get up next, as I recover and feel a little bit better to make these, we will be working on putting the rest of it in and working on possibly. I need to put it into my load game and my new game and my save function, so it is calling the correct ones, because right now, oh boy, where is it? Save point. Yeah, it's under collision. Okay, so uh, I think all of these are going to have to be uh, replaced with the other dictionary. So it's going to be like a dictionary accessing a dictionary, accessing a dictionary, or maybe um, that's probably what it's going to be, because each dictionary is something else. Like this dictionary is just going to be of what instant names, and I might only do it with my monsters. So instead of skeleton, it'll be the dictionary name, and then the key would be the value to, or the key would be the name of the dictionary, and then the value would be this, or something like that. I'm gonna have to play around with that. That's something I'm not really gonna put on video, because that is a monotonous process of going back and forth testing and typing and getting frustrated and sitting there and staring at it for a while. So that's probably not something I really want to record doing. But and now the reason why all of my rats went on there is because instead of having to draw all of them, I'm going to start putting them into lists, and then I can just pull which one ever from that, or maybe even put that dictionary in that list into the dictionary so it knows, or something like that. But and then I got my monsters to respawn, which once again are probably going to have to I'm probably going to have to change up that formula, but I just kind of wanted to give you guys an update. I have been working on it. I just been recovering, and it's been slow. I've been running out of ideas. Maybe some in the future videos going forward, I might go back to my that Frogger slash Turtle game, and I might revise that. Like just start from the beginning and put it into a class, and just change a bunch of things. Try to make that run a little bit better. Maybe do other things that I know how to do now and make it, try to get the animations working in that one again. Just going forward with, learning how to code video games and do this pretty much from scratch. I know there's a lot of engines out there like the Unreal Engine, and there's the Godot and everything like that. And I'll probably eventually work up to that and get to those. But for right now, I like what I'm doing. I kind of like making my own framework, learning how everything functions, how to call it, learning the different type of things like dictionaries, and I've been looking into arrays and everything like that, and maybe the array and the math would be a little bit better for like helping with precisions and collisions and movement and everything like that. But for now, my rectangles are okay. I still need to figure out how to use those user events and make like random battles or something like that. I need to expand and make another ring around this so we can go into different rooms and not have it just such a small area, make it a little bit bigger to explore. So I've got a lot of plans. So stay tuned, keep watching, keep liking, keep commenting. Just keep doing what you're doing. I appreciate it. So thanks again for watching. Like and subscribe. Bye.